Hi, welcome to Hardware Info. In front of me HP NY 5000 series, and I'm gonna show you how to manage sleep mode on this device. Sleep mode sets an amount of idle time before the printer enters a low power sleep mode to save energy, and to enable it or disable, open settings, then scroll down, open power management, and here you can find sleep mode. In sleep mode, you can print when your device in sleep mode. So when you will send a job to your printer, so printer will wake up and print what you want. So enable the sleep mode, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.